Okay, my name is Shah. I'm from Ideal Perspective. We are actually specialist contractors. Our work is all on projects. We do flooring. So I was introduced to Topix technology to upgrade my computers because it's been a while since it's been done. And before my upgrade, I had to constantly wait for things to change, to move even from screen to screen because my computers were so slow. When Topix came in, they did an excellent job. Everything is upgraded. My SSD, my graphic card, and what I really like about it is they are very professional. They come and check what you need, and then they ask you what is your problem and all that. And when they come to really install, it's really quick as well. So I'm really happy with their service. Thanks. #kita kawan.
Come to Topix Technology, kita kawan. Kita kawan.